Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be creating a to-do list app in Python using Chat GPT. All we need to do is to type "give me the code" in Python to create a simple to-do list app. Now Chat GPT replies with some information and provide us the code. Now scroll up and copy the code. Open VS Code. Now paste the copied code using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, then click on the Run button on the top menu bar, or use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift-D. This will open the Run and Debug panel. And there you have it. We have successfully created a smart to-do list app using Chat GPT. I hope you found this video informative and it inspires you to try out more projects using Chat GPT. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.